Hello students, our today's topic is integers, and in this section we will study the subtraction of integers with the help of a number line, means how to subtract the integers using a number line. We can subtract the integers on the number line in the following ways. Subtraction of two positive integers. To understand this, let's take an example. Find the difference 5 minus 2. Students, please learn, when we subtract a number or integer from the other integer, we just add the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. It means here first we draw a number line and put positive integers on the right side of 0 and negative integers on the left of 0. We first move 5 steps to the right of 0, reaching 5. When we move 5 steps to the right of 0, we will reach 5. Then we move 2 steps to the left of 5, we reach 3. Therefore, 5 minus 2, it is 3. Subtraction of one positive and one negative integer. To understand this, let's take an example. Solve minus 5 minus 2. To solve this problem, let's draw a number line in which positive integers are on the right side of 0 and negative integers are on the left of 0. Here first integer is minus 5. So first of all, we will move 5 steps to the left of 0. We reach minus 5. After reaching 5, we move 2 more steps to the left of 5. In this way, we reach minus 7. First we move 5 steps to the left of 0. We reach minus 5. Then we move 2 more steps to the left of minus 5. We reach minus 7. Therefore, we can say minus 5 minus 2, that is equal to minus of 7. Third type of subtraction is subtraction of two negative integers. It means both the integers given here will be negative. To understand the concept, let's take an example. Find the value of minus 5 minus 7 using a number line. To understand it, let's draw a number line. In this number line, positive integers are on the right of 0 and negative integers are on the left of 0. To solve minus 5 minus 7, first we write it as minus 5 then minus minus it becomes plus. Minus 5 plus 7. First we move 5 places to the left of 0. 5 steps to the left of 0 we reach minus 5 and move 7 steps to the right of minus 5. This is minus 5 and we move 7 steps to the right side of minus 5. So we reach 2. Hence we can say that minus 5 minus of minus 7, then we reach the answer 2. In conclusion, we can say that to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. To illustrate this statement, we can see here minus 5 minus of minus 7, then additive inverse of minus 7 is 7. So we simply add additive inverse of this 7 to the second integer minus 5. Minus 5 and it is the additive inverse of this minus 7 and we get the answer as 2 because here 7 is greater and 5 is less. Therefore we get 2 as answer. Thank you students.